Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and we're here and we're here and we're here and we're gonna do a little look, a little looky look. And I'm actually gonna create something kind of quick. I always say that, but sometimes I do. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be?
Okay, so I'm gonna go into this palette. This is actually the Burning Burgandies from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I'm actually gonna do a black look, but I want a base. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this like right here, just right here. Black can be like interesting, so I want to put it here. So first I'm laying it down, and then I'm going in and I'm just blending. This is actually a this is a 512, a C512 brush from Crown. See, and then I'm just like, I'm just kind of like just tap it. No, I'm still using that same brush. Actually, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna use this. This is a 204 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna like, this doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just gonna blend the edges, just the edges. This is my favorite, like from Truly right now, is the strawberry hibiscus. It's so good. I promise I don't drink all the time, but I do drink. Now I'm gonna take this brush from AOA Studio, just a big old chunky brush, and I have this. It's a loose, well, not a loose, a single shadow, and it's called Carbon Matte, and that's from MAC. But they have like the best shadow. I actually finished one and I got another one. I feel like they have the best black shadow. I don't know if I like it like from any of their palettes, but I can tell you it is so good from like, that single is like life. Oh. So if you have like really small like eyelid, I feel like this brush might be a little bit too big. Does it have a number? It's the E145 brush. This brush is ridiculously inexpensive though, so when I get to the edges of this, I'm just gonna like kind of staple it in so I can get like a nice little blend. And now I'm gonna go back to the 504 brush and just like blend this. Again, I'm just no product, I'm just blending. And then now back to this chunky brush. And then I'm just gonna put another bit of product on there. That shadow from MAC is so good. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I just dropped something and caught it, so that was good. So we're gonna talk about Miss Black Opal. I know my face looks super white, but I just using the Yummy Skin primer, and we're just gonna go in, right? Oh wow, Well, this is light. I want this foundation to oxidize because this is light. Oh my god. So I'm going in with my 732 from Luxie, and we're just gonna tap it. Just tap it. So this is from Jeffree style. This is C15. I'm gonna put this right here. Like so. And I think I need a darker one maybe. And this is, let me see. This is 10 from these are short. Why do I always say that? Tarte Shape Tape. And we're gonna leave this do a thing. My drink. And let's use this. This is from, actually I haven't, I try to like swap this up a little bit so I'm not using the same one all the time, because I'll do that, you know. Use the same one all the time. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. I love this. This is live. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with her. And I'm gonna use this brush. This is a LR334 from Ruce, and then we're gonna go into tongue right here. Just, you know, working this in. And then we're gonna go in here. This is like so good. My only issue is I feel like they only have like a few shades. I wish they had more shades, you know, but everything comes down to the blending. Blending. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Giving that self, you know, making that jawbone. I should have a pretty decent jawbone. Perfect, no. Decent, yes. So this, I'm bringing it up to this kind of, you know, like so. Just bring it up. And then stamp it up so it's like so, which is kind of the same thing you do for this. Like you, I mean, I'm stamping, but it's like I'm doing this. So it's, and then that forehead looks great. Love it, love it. This is so good, so good. I'm hot.
Not yet. I know you're eager, but you have to take your time.
So now we're gonna blend our concealer. And this is a concealer brush, a 733 from Luxie. You do have to be a little bit careful with Tarte Shape Tape because it can be drying, but I think the key to that is prime. Like if you have dry under eye, like use a nice, you know, hydrating eye cream, and then you're good. You know, people ask me like all the time, like, you use so much makeup and why is your skin so good? I don't have perfect skin by any means. I have texture, I have pores, I get breakouts, like it just is what it is, you know. But like I prime, I don't just go in with makeup first thing. Like I make sure like I prime, or I moisturize, and then I prime. Sometimes I have like, you know, 2 or 3 different products before it actually hits my skin, so I'm making sure I protect the skin, because you know you're gonna only have one, right? I mean, does your skin shed or some stuff like that? Who knows? I'm just saying whatever. I have no idea. No idea. And now I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna like stick with this like right here, so it doesn't look like so harsh. So I do want a little bit more contour, like I lost some of it like right here. So I'm just gonna take my brush. I'm not gonna put any more product on there. I'm just gonna use my brush, the same brush that I used before, and then just perfect. Okay, now we're gonna set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. This brush is dirty. I've been doing really good actually with making sure my brushes are washed. So, and then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder. I'm gonna use number 1, and I'm just gonna like set it like a quick set. Again, I get these from Amazon, so I just do this, no baking. Like so. And then I'm taking my same sponge, and then we're gonna go ahead and just like set up the rest of the face. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder, and now we're gonna go in and just bake a little bit, and then I'm just going everywhere I put the concealer, and then I'm gonna use conifer to set the rest of my face. It is so messy because my crazy self go and I cut off the net that's supposed to help how much product comes out. Cut it off. Look how dirty this is. It was new, like, well, not new, but washed. I just washed it. But every time I do my makeup with it, it gets dirty like that. I'm leaving a little bit heavier under my eyes, because you know, I have to go in, I'm hot. So we're gonna use this to prime. Okay, I'm gonna use this black pencil from, it's a waterline pencil, it's Legend from Urban Decay. Like so. So I'm not gonna go all the way, I'm just gonna do like here and then get to right here. This is from Morphe, I think, yeah, and it's a M408. And I'm gonna go into the black very, very little, guys, like very little. And I'm just gonna like tap that like right here. And now I want to take this. Sorry, this is from Laura Mercier. And we're gonna go into the. Oh, I am so hot. And I'm gonna put like a little of this color. Actually, this is from Tyler. It's Tanned and Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and give that a whirl and see if we like it. And this is a Ruce L36 brush, or 360 brush, sorry. This is from Iconic London. Let's try this. I think this is. Man, you know what's crazy? Like, we've been living in our neighborhood for like a very long time. Like, we were like the first people here, and I think this is like the first, I don't know, second time, maybe the second time that we've actually gone to our neighbor's home. Like, I don't know, I'm not very neighborly. My husband is though, I'm not. Like, most of my neighbors I don't even know, but my husband is sweet. So he keeps in touch with our neighbors, because he said, you know what, if he's not there, he wants somebody to look out for me from Home Alone or whatever, which is very sweet, but I'm not the friendliest of, you know. So we're gonna go in with this Chick Clapper from Patrick Star. Nope, one size. Oh my god, one size. I'm sorry, because both of the names are Patrick. And I'm gonna go in the middle shade. Ooh, 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 ooh. I will fix it. This is a lot. Like it's just I look like Rudolph, but it's fine. So I'm gonna take my powder brush. I haven't used this in a while. This is Flexitarian from Colourpop. I don't know. I haven't used this in a while. Okay, so it still works. A lot. So I'm gonna line my lip. This is Cyber World from MAC. MAC stuff is amazing. I just feel like I hate to get used to it or liking something and then discontinue a lot of stuff. So I'm like, nope. Okay, so we're gonna do Mood from Dose of Colors. So see what I'm gonna do, right? And then I'm gonna take this. This is from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. It's nude. That's the shade, yeah. And that I'm gonna put in the center, like right here. And then we're gonna set it with one size. Oh my god. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I love how the makeup come out. I know it's kind of dark, vampy, but you know what? Maybe that's the look I'm going for. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Follow me.